Hi, I am Mrs. P. Rajapspam, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Jairaj Anabhagyam College for Women, Autonomous Periyakalam. I am going to illustrate an example of the open interval 0, 1 is uncountable set. First of all, we should know about countable set. So what is countable set? If we can label the element of that set, then the set is said to be countable set. That is, we can count the element of the set. We can label the element corresponding to the natural number. I take A, B, C, D, E and F. We can say A is a first element, B is a second element, C is a third element, D is a fourth element, E is a fifth element, F is a sixth element. Thus, if we can label the element of that set, then the set is said to be a countable set. Every real number in open interval 0, 1 can be written uniquely as a non-terminating decimal. 0.a1, a2, a3, a4 and so on, an and so on, where 0 less than or equal to ai less than or equal to 9 for each I, subject to the following restriction that any terminating decimal 0.a1, a2, a3, a4 and so on, an 0, 0, 0 and so on is written as 0.a1, a2, a3, a4 and so on, an minus 1, 9, 9, 9 and so on. Consider the example 0.43. 0.43 can be written as 0.42999 and so on, and 1 equal to 0.999 and so on. To show that open interval 0, 1 is uncountable set. Suppose open interval 0, 1 is countable. It means we can label all the elements of open interval 0, 1. Then the element of open interval 0, 1 can be listed as a1, a2, a3, a4 and so on, an plus 1 and so on. Open interval 0, 1, it contains in between 0 and 1. So every element of open interval 0, 1 is like 0 point something. So a1 equal to 0.a11, a12, a13, a14 and so on, a1n, a1n plus 1 and so on. In this way, a2 equal to 0.a21, a22, a23, a24 and so on, a2n, a2n plus 1 and so on. And a3 equal to 0.a31, a32, a33, a34 and so on, a3n, a3n plus 1 and so on. Like this, an equal to 0.an1, an2, an3, an4 and so on, ann plus 1 and so on. So, every number between 0 and 1 must lie these in the list. Now, for each positive integer n, choose an integer bn such that 0 less than or equal to bn less than or equal to 9. Using some conditions bn not equal to 0 and bn not equal to ann. Let b equal to 0.b1, b2, b3, b4 and so on, bn, bn plus 1 and so on. Clearly, this b belongs to open interval 0, 1. Our condition is bn not equal to ann. So, b1 not equal to a11. It confirms that b is different from a1. b2 not equal to a22, therefore b is different from a2. b3 not equal to a33, therefore b is different from a3. Like this, bn not equal to ann, therefore b is different from an. So we have different bi for the diagonal of the array. So b is different from each ai at least in the ith place. Hence b not equal to ai for each I. That is, we can label all the elements of open interval 0 comma 1 because the open interval 0 comma 1 is countable. But one more element b which is not listed in the above set. Therefore, our assumption that 0 comma 1 is countable is wrong. Therefore, open interval 0 comma 1 is uncountable set. Open interval 0 comma 1 is a subset of set of all real number. Any set have uncountable subset, then the set is also uncountable set. Therefore, R is uncountable set.